Hi, my name is Josh Evilsizor, and today I'm going to show you how to use Google's Help Me Organize feature in Google Sheets. Are you watching the right video? If you need help finding or unlocking the Help Me Organize button, or you just want to know how to use the Help Me Organize feature in Google Sheets, then yes. But first, some quick redirects and clarifications. Number one, you must have first enabled Google Labs for this to work. How to do that? Video in the description down below. Number two, Google Docs or Gmail's Help Me Write feature or Google Slides Help Me Visualize feature, not this video. Description down below. All right, let's learn. So, Help Me Organize, Josh. Helps you do what exactly? Well, essentially, you don't have to start from scratch. It gives you a boost. It does that via a table. So it's going to create a new table for you with two things. Generates column headers and some example table contents, some fodder, if you will, to begin with. And second, it gives you this feature called Enhanced Smartfill, which is related but very different. And we'll go over both of those. The instructions on how to do those right there. But let's jump into the demo. All right, so in the spreadsheet I've got open here, you'll see that Help Me Organize is already fired up. It'll do that anytime your spreadsheet is blank. It's trying to help you organize. And it does this by providing you content. So here we are. It's open, but I'm going to show you how you would open it if for whatever reason it's not open. Or so you can validate that it's in fact perhaps not working for you or is working for you. So up here is the Help Me Organize button, and I can click on that and it's going to launch Help Me Organize. Or I could click the search function, and you can see I've looked for it already, but I'll just go ahead and start typing help, and Help Me Organize pops up. You click on that, there you go. So that's how you launch Help Me Organize. Pretty straightforward. All right, so we've got our spreadsheet, and we want a product that's going to help us do what it is we need to do. And we can see Google trying to help us up here. A kitchen remodel task list for a kitchen that's friendlier for kids to cook in, or a marketing campaign material tracker for a new product launch. What is it that we're doing? I'm just going to go ahead and use the prompts they're giving me. And so the last one was, I believe, a marketing kitchen remodel task list. We'll use that. So kitchen remodel task list, 4 words, create. Give it a few seconds, and it's going to give us a very nifty place to start. Of course, the stuff it's going to give us is not going to be our information, but I've always found it's easier to edit than create, and this here is a great start. So I like this. I'm going to go ahead and click the insert button. You'll see here it's all in black and white, but once I insert it, it gets some high def colors, and so there we go. We've got cool little status drop downs. Well, it only gave us high. That's not super helpful, but it's super easy to edit. You just click the edit button over here. We could add a medium value. We could give it a color. Be done with it. Apply to all. And now our status columns are a little more helpful. But there you go, kitchen remodel. And then I'll also show you that I created some of these earlier, and every time you do this, it's going to be a little different because it's AI just doing its thing. So the remodel from earlier, exact same verbiage, produced this. And then there's the marketing one that I created earlier, it produced this. And this one was more helpful. It gave me 2 drop downs. In any event, all it's doing, it's giving you that boost, right? That kickstart. So there we go. That's how Help Me Organize gets you moving. I want to talk about smartfill now. Before I talk about enhanced smartfill, I want to talk about the regular smartfill. And here's a quick table that I've got set up. What smartfill, before you have enhanced smartfill, this is what you might see happening, because this has already been a thing. You've got some numbers, so description, price, units, and you want the total. So equals, and it's giving you this formula. Yeah, that's what I want. That's the formula. So I'm going to go ahead and hit tab so it accepts it. And then often it'll offer to fill down for me. And I think because I let it fill that formula, it didn't do it this time. So I'm just going to go ahead and do the formula myself. So equals this times this. And as soon as I do that, autofill jumps in there's like, hey, how about the whole thing? And I'm like, absolutely. Click the check mark and it's done the autofill. Well, enhanced smart fill, sorry, autofill, smart fill, same difference. The enhanced smart fill that we're going to talk about involves things that are not math and probably things that are math. But in any event, here we go. So the disclaimer at the bottom here is that this thing is rolling out slower than the rest of the stuff. So the help me organize function or feature that I just showed you, it shows up first after you enable Google Labs. This enhanced smart fill, it arrives later for whatever reason. So until your Google Docs or Sheets notify you that this has been turned on, it won't work for you. So there you go. Caveat emptor. So we've got this table set up, statements and sentiments, which there's no math here, right? So the enhanced smart fill is going to do something that our regular smart fill didn't do before. And so I'm just going to, as if I was writing this stuff on my own, right? Negative. So this next one, I'm so happy for my friend's new job. Well, this is positive. And then at some point, I'm so sorry to hear about your loss. Okay, so this is negative. At some point, SmartFill is going to be like, oh, this makes sense. And there it is. So we see the green pencil or pen icon asking us, hey, I think I got this for you. And you're like, absolutely you do. So go ahead and fill 4 rows. Now, in a bigger job, you can see how this could be helpful. I don't have any better examples for you. This is the one Google gives in its help section. But there you go, enhanced smart fill. All right, so back to the beginning where we left off. We covered help me organize and advanced smart fill, and all these instructions are in the link Google Doc down below. What didn't I cover? Well, why would you use help me organize? And I kind of hinted and said it before, but it's going to generate something from nothing for you, right? And how is that helpful? Well, for me, it's always easier to edit than create. So if it's giving me something, now all I got to do is change it a little bit. I don't got to use my brain and come up with it on my own. Simply put, help you organize, get you moving, right? And a body in motion tends to stay in motion. That's it. So I'd like to thank you for watching and ask you not to forget that there is linked goodness in the description down below. Please like, subscribe, and share this with somebody that needs it. And if you leave questions, I will leave answers. Now, please go and be productive.